Hello everybody, it's Dan with Feldmann Imports Mercedes-Benz, and we're back with another vehicle walk-around tour. Today we're going to be highlighting the 2023 Mercedes-Benz GLB 250 4MATIC. This vehicle is for sale. We're just going to do kind of a quick overview here, highlight some of those interior and exterior features. And if you're interested in learning more, you have any questions, or even want to set up a test drive, just reach out to us on our website. Love to chat with you. FeldmannImports.com. So once again, this vehicle is for sale. Comes in a nice blue exterior. We've got a black leather interior. Blind spot assist. And so here we have our interior. Driver's seat with lumbar support. Alright, so we've got heated power memory seats, both driver and passenger here. You've got your door and window controls, button to open your trunk. We've got light controls, parking brake. Do have a heated steering wheel as well. You just flip the switch here and that'll activate that. You can also set that to automatically turn on when you turn on your heated seat. It's all within your comfort menu settings. So hopping inside, mileage currently 2,754. We have a push button ignition. And let's talk about our steering wheel first. So this model here has the physical dial here for volume, as well as the physical button for increasing or decreasing your speed for your cruise control. So volume, Bluetooth, and cell phone, answering or declining a call functions here on the right side. And then you've got a home button, touchpad, and a back button here, which all controls your main display here. So a little touchpad here, you can just go back and forth, left and right, and then actually push down to make a selection. Very similar functionality here on the left side, home button, touchpad, and back button. And when you press the home button for this will open up a menu here on your driver's side, so you can fully customize that. So say you wanted to, keep like navigation instructions a little closer to, your eyes on the road here. You can switch your radio station, switch that, and then you can just slide up and down to make different selections. And then there's just some different custom, more cosmetic features here too. So the classic, the sport, and whatnot here. Cool. So also you have paddle shifters on either side. You've got your wiper and turn signal controls, both a front and a rear windshield wiper. And then we have our shifter over on this side. So you'll flip that up for reverse, which will then activate your backup camera. And down for drive, and then push in for park. Alright, so back to our main display. So go ahead and open up this comfort menu here. So fully customizable ambient LED lighting throughout the vehicle, dash, the doors, center console, down below, kind of all over the place really. Fully customizable, currently doing this kind of red color here. Got all kinds of different single color options. Just use the color wheel here. I also have multicolor, so that'll do different colors for different sections, which is kind of fun. There's also different effects, like a welcome effect as well as the climate effect. So climate, for example, if you were to decrease temperature, it'll flash kind of blue here. If you were to increase, it'll flash red. Just kind of fun little things there. Let's see, we got our radio here. Fully compatible with Bluetooth or USB connectivity also through your media here. So it's a full touchscreen, so you can see I'm just using the touchscreen itself. You also can control it, again, with your steering wheel controls, and you've got a third method to control it in your center console with this touchpad. Similar, swipe left, right, up and down, press down to actually make your selection. So below our display, we've got our climate control here. So all kinds of physical buttons to make some adjustments as needed. You also can click this menu button, which pulls up a full climate menu here on your display, which again you can control using the touchscreen or one of the other two methods as well. Below your climate control, got a wireless charging pad for a cell phone, USB connection, power adapter, cup holders, and our center console touchpad, which we just talked about, as well as a dynamic select switch here. So you just press that up or down, and that'll switch between the different performance modes here, which affects how the vehicle performs for you out there on the road. There's also some other quick access buttons here for vehicle settings, navigation and radio, and so on. And a little center console storage with a couple extra USB connections. And last thing I'll show you in here is the sunroof controls, full sunroof from the front to the rear. You just press the button there and that'll start sliding back your sunroof. Also opens up a little bug screen there, which is super handy. And then just do the opposite in reverse towards the front, and that'll close for you there. So first press will close or open the sunroof itself. And then if I did it one more time, it'll close the sunshade, which I'll just leave open just so we have a little extra light for this video. All right. One other thing I'll point out just real quickly, it's a little tricky to see. You can kind of see if I can get it to focus right here. There's like this little ridge, and it's super tough to see on. It's called clear film, and it's very clear. You barely can see it, especially on this blue color. But this just helps prevent any door dings. So you'll see that on all the doors here in the vehicle. All right, got our rear seats here next. Another quick peek up at your sunroof. There's also a little lever here you can pull to access your trunk. There's also third row seats back there as well, which are currently folded down just for a little extra storage, but you can easily pop those up as needed. And one more quick peek back up front. GLB 250 is definitely a really nice SUV. Not super big, not super small, kind of nice mid-size. Lots of features, lots of comfort and entertainment features. Definitely a nice model. So coming around the back, we've got our badging, GLB 250, Mercedes-Benz, and 4MATIC. 4MATIC, of course, is the four-wheel drive that Mercedes-Benz has offered for quite some time now. And here we have our trunk space, power opening and closing trunk, little lever underneath, and then a little push button to close. Alright, so once again, this is the 2023 Mercedes-Benz GLB 250 4MATIC. If you're interested in learning more or even want to set up a test drive, just reach out to us on our website, feldmanimports.com.